Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review new product. This product name is 15-second Profit Warrior. So as you are aware that today this short video is very famous on YouTube. So it has a very good viewership. Some of the short video of 15 to 30 seconds, it will get thousands to millions of views. So the software in nutshell, this is the tutorial which will teach you how to earn the commission with the help of secret traffic source like this. So these views they can convert to your buyer traffic. So this is virtually untapped and unlimited buyer traffic potential. So you have the ability to get traffic in seconds. So no mailing, no media experience, no product development is required. So this is completely newbie friendly. So here the software will teach you how to utilize this traffic effectively to grow your business or to earn the commission. So I have a great offer for you. If you purchase this product through my link, you will get bonuses from my side. That bonuses is very attractive and very helpful to grow your business. So you will get the bonus from my side as well as you will get the vendor bonuses. The link is already given in the description. So once you click that link, you will get all my bonuses and along with this product. So to review this product, I will first take you through my bonus pages. Then we will review. We'll go through the member area and then we'll go through the sales page and we'll discuss about the price and OTO upsell price. So let's start the review of this product. Quickly go through this bonus page. This 15-second Profit Warrior. This product is going to launch today, 12 July at 11 EST time. So this bonus is for limited period. So these bonuses page expire once this timer goes off. So let's go through my bonuses. So my bonus number 1 is Continuum. So this is Auto Webinar app. This app is similar to Ever Webinar app. So as you know, this Ever Webinar app is charged $500 per year. But here you will get this app absolutely free. So it allows you to run the high ticket webinar through this app so that you can divert the traffic to this webinar, or there are inbuilt high ticket webinar also that also you can promote and you can send the traffic to this webinar, so which ultimately you will earn the huge commission. This high ticket webinar paying a huge commission like somewhere around $500 to $1,000. So my next bonus is this second bonus is that 4 proven insider tips for making great channels. So here it will help you to grow your YouTube channel, and here some hacks, some tutorials is given to grow your YouTube channel. This bonus number 3 is a tutorial. So how to grow the follower for your Instagram channel. So this will help you to grow your Insta. Number 4, you will get 35 bonuses that you can use in your promotes to grow your channel or to promote your product. So this bonus number 5, you will get all the vendor bonuses along with this 4 bonus. So you will get the 4 bonuses plus this vendor bonuses. Once you purchase this product through my link, that link is already given in the description. So you just click on that link, it will redirect you to that Warrior Plus page. So here once you go through the in green, you will get your product, and here in blue portion, once you click here, it will redirect it to all bonuses. So you will get all the bonuses as I promise. So I will take you through this member area. So we are on this member area. So this is very simple app. Hand side this various tabs is given, whereas on upside you can see this pro version, done for you, unlimited traffic, resale rights, coaching. So these are some OTOs. But front end, what are the front end functions that you will get here? So here some welcome video is there. So here one case study is given, how to earn $43 in 7 days. That case study is given. So in this, so next, these are some introduction tutorials is there. So overview, introduction to YouTube short, this small video is given, and this information is given about the YouTube short. So these are why YouTube short is even present. The similarity between regular YouTube and YouTube short, these are explained in small videos. So different between YouTube and YouTube short. Example of channels with YouTube short, benefits of YouTube short, do's and don't. So this how to create faceless YouTube shorts. So this step by step tutorial is given here. So you can go through one by one. It's very simple. And then theory part is also given. So here in theory part, you get to know what to put in your description. When you create your own YouTube short, that time it will help you to get to know what to put in your YouTube description, how the title to be put, what are the tags to be used, so that you can generate unlimited buyer traffic, what type of hashtag to be used. So using music also while your YouTube short. So these are some tutorial videos is given, and here some practical is also given. So here some practical is given using your mobile screen or desktop. You can use it through your mobile also. Smart phone inbuilt screen recorder. So some practical tutorials is given. Smartphone screen recording. So here this you here in this practical section you will learn how to actually in this practical section various YouTube in this practical session various video tutorial is given using a mobile screen on desktop, how to upload YouTube shorts. Even you can learn smartphone inbuilt screen recorder. So you will learn how importance of the link. So here you learn how to give a CTA in literally second of time. How does YouTube identify YouTube shorts? You will learn YouTube short official video, YouTube channel creation. You will learn YouTube channel important customization, how to do the customization for your YouTube channel. You will learn YouTube default setting, how to do YouTube default setting. Here even list building, SEO also you will learn. You learn here how to get affiliate link for your ClickBank, Warrior Plus. So some done for you short cuts also given here. So you can make the full income through this software front end. All these options you will get. So here great content is there with very small price. So just quickly look through this sales page. So this software allows you to get free buyer traffic through short videos. So no need to use any paid ad, email list. So you will get automatically all this traffic in 50 seconds. So these are some key benefits. So it is newbie friendly. So it's backed by the real case studies also. So this is all in one solution. So you will get free buyer traffic in 50 seconds. No further investment is required. You will get 30 days money back guarantee. So I will take you through this sales page. I will cover only main points. If you want to go through in detail, the link is already given in my description. You just click on that link and you can go through this sales page in detail. Software is created by this lady Akhtar, and she is using this software to earn commissions. So here some earning proof is given. So here some testimonial is also given for this product. So as I mentioned earlier, you will get the bonuses from vendor side if you purchase this product. So these are some bonuses, key bonuses. As a bonus number 1, you will get direct VIP support from vendor side. So here in bonus number 2, they have revealed how to make $43,000 in 7 days. That case study is given. Bonus number 3, free. So here you will get the high ticket training. So in bonus number 4, you will get unfair advantage in business and lifetime custom training. So here you will learn how to be successful in your internet marketing business. So this bonus number 5, instant approval to promote 15-second profit warrior. So you get $300 commission per sale when you promote this 15-second profit warrior. So these are the various bonus which vendor offered along with this product. So one more thing, you will get the 30 days money back guarantee as well with this product. So I will take you through front end price and upsells. So let's go through the price and upsell. So this front end price is $12.95. So today offer is going on. You will get 30% off if you book this product before this launch. So this approximates somewhere around $10. So this front end price is $12.95. OTO 1 is $37. OTO 2 $67. OTO 3 you will get through $97. OTO 4 for $67 and OTO 5 for $97. So this front end price is the $12.95. So in this front end, you will get the access to the powerful 15-second profit warrior software and training module. In upsell number 1, that upsell number 1 is pro version that you will get for $37 and downsell price is $27. So you will get advanced training proven converting campaign, even more hacks to convert up to 10x higher commissions. This upsell number 2 you will get for $67 and that downsell price is $27. So this is virtually done for you system. So you will get done for you campaign. So you need to just plug into your front end system. So upsell number 3, unlimited traffic. This you will get for $97, but downsell price is $67. This allows customer to put their pixel or sales page to have a digital email list. So you can generate the email list through this. Upsell number 4 costing around $97. It's a resale rights. So you will get resale right for this 15-second commission profit warrior. So here you will get 100% commission. Upsell number 5 coaching that cost around $497, but downsell price is $397. So this is exclusive closing platform. So you will get coaching, personal coaching, and you will get live weekly call for entire 1 year. So you will get dedicated mentorship in this upsell. So this is my review for this 50-second profit warrior. So if I want to summarize overall, so as these short videos have a great potential because the short videos will attract the viewers not only in thousands, in millions. So this software is help to attract that buyers or to convert that buyers to your customer. So this is the help of this software. You can use that viewers as your customer to grow your online business. And this software comes with very small price, it's nominal price, and you will get great content. This software is helpful to the newbies who don't have email list and who don't have money for these paid ads. So they can go for this software. So guys, Hope this review is helpful to you. On this channel, I am coming up with regular digital product reviews. So do visit my channel, subscribe my channel. If you like this video, just share and like this video. Thank you.